welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Transformers Generation 1 Bumblebee made by Yopart. Now this is a model kit, measures 10 cm tall and it's complete. Obviously you can see on the front it's the 40th anniversary of Transformers. So you got on the front, the side, basically Transformers. The back shows you the list of what they've done in the Transformers range. I've got all of them apart from Grimlock. He's the only one I still need to get. But I will get him. Bumblebee on the side. The bottom, just a warning. And the top, Transformers. So let's get it open and have a look what's inside. Box up. Okay, so your instruction. It's a nice colour. There you go. Shows you how to assemble him. There we go. And that is it. Just the instructions and the kit itself. So let's go on to assembling Bumblebee. Take out all this pocket. To one side. Alright, so get the torso to start off with. This is torso. Pretty cool. Quite well detailed for what it is. His hip just plugs into there. Oops. Almost dropped it then. His hip just pushes in like that. So just connecting the two pieces together. Then we could do a leg, which pushes on by, it's all on ball joints, so push it in like that. Opposite side leg. Like that. And the feet, push in, you can hear a nice crack when it goes in, so you know that it's actually set in proper. Here we go, throwing the parts away again. Push this foot in, there you go. There's his feet in. Next is his arms. The top of his arms out. This piece just connects on there like that. Same with the other side. Like that. You get this part of the arm. Plugs on there, like that. No click to that, it just pushes straight on. Same as this one, pushes straight on. That's what do his head. A very, very nicely detailed part that. Very nice. Push it on top there like that. Now, as usual, with his hands, you've got pointed fist. I'll close to you. You got that one. It's the same on both sides, left or right hand. You've got clenched fist. Right. Or you've got the open hand, like that. Or you can mix and match. Me, I'm going to mix and match. So with his right hand, I'm going to put the fist, so that pushes in like that. And his left, I'm going to put the open hand, just to give it a bit of difference, like that. Now as you can see, it's very articulated. You can turn his wrist fully round. His arm itself, pretty 360. Got elbow joint. Can obviously turn side to side. His head turns complete. Look up a little, down a little. Twist at the waist. Legs kick forward, so high. Back even higher. Got knee articulation. And a little bit of foot articulation as well, so you can stand him spread out like that if you wish to. The other part that's left to add to him now is his gun. Another nicely sculpted piece there. Just go into that app. And there you have Generation 1 Bumblebee. Now, as I have stated, I have got the other characters, so let's have a look at him with Starscream. I'm just going to see the size difference there. Starscream. And with Soundwave. Again, you can see the size difference. Soundwave and B. For some reason Soundwave doesn't want to stand up at the moment. There you go. Nope. There we go. With the Decepticons' evil leader, Megatron. We just give him a bit of a knock. Back it in, Megatron, behave. Put Megatron back there. And with B's best friend, Optimus Prime. As I said, these are most of them. I just need to get hold of Grimlock. So hopefully I'll have him soon, and we'll be able to put him in the mix and have a look at all of them together. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.